For 4.5 billion years, the moon has been the constant companion of our planet. But what if, all of a sudden, it lost its orbit and crashed into Earth? The moon plays a major role in controlling our tides, stabilizing Earth's axial tilt, and providing light at night. If it were to fall toward us, it would be a cosmic-scale catastrophe unlike anything in human history. This is, of course, an imaginary scenario, but the consequences would be truly terrifying. The moon orbits Earth at an average distance of 384,400 kilometers. But in our simulation, we start to reduce that distance. The moon slowly begins to move closer. From Earth, people would see the moon growing larger and larger in the sky. As it draws nearer, devastating effects begin to unfold on Earth. When the moon reaches what's called the Roche limit, about 18,000 kilometers from Earth, the gravitational forces become extreme. Gigantic waves, several kilometers high, rise up. Not just coastal cities, but even inland regions would be flooded. Earthquakes with magnitudes of 10 or higher would shake the surface, splitting the crust apart. Volcanoes around the world would erupt simultaneously. Even before the final impact, these disasters would wipe out most forms of life on Earth. And then comes the most terrifying moment, the collision itself. When the moon finally strikes Earth's surface, it releases an unimaginable amount of energy, equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs exploding at once. At the point of impact, the Earth's crust melts entirely, forming vast oceans of lava. The two celestial bodies merge into one. Enormous fragments are blasted into space. The heat and shock waves spread across the entire planet, and the atmosphere becomes superheated instantly. After the collision, Earth is completely transformed. Surface temperatures soar to over 5,000 degrees Celsius, far beyond anything life can withstand. All living organisms are already gone. Earth becomes a molten rock world. Over the next few 100,000 years, the moon's material fuses with Earth's, forming a single larger planet. Some of the debris thrown into space might gather to form a new ring system, or perhaps a new moon. After millions of years, this new world would slowly cool and solidify into a massive rocky planet. But life would almost certainly never return. The oceans, atmosphere, and all suitable conditions would have been lost forever. These are the horrifying consequences if the moon ever collided with Earth. But here's the good news. This will never happen. In fact, the moon is actually moving away from Earth by about 3.8 centimeters every year.